Good morning, good peoples of the internet. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Pluto Passionfruit, and I'm here with another video that y'all did not ask for. Anyways, okay, it's like midnight 10 right now. I'm in my studio right now. I just finished working on a basic pattern for men's because I don't have one. Like, all my years of training and I don't have a freaking pattern. But anyways, right now I'm working on a Halloween costume and y'all are gonna come join me. It's a Choso costume. It's gonna end up being a Choso costume. I don't really know how it's gonna come out, but I'm gonna attempt it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't seem too difficult just because it's very geometric or something. Oh my, I hurts, what the heck? Like, right now I have an image pulled up and I'm just looking at it and it looks very geometric. I'm not gonna worry too much about the hips. Like, the hips can do whatever they want to do, but like, I feel like I can get this done. So I actually don't know whether or not this bodice fits me or like, you know, whatever, because it's kind of like a generic one. So I'm gonna just go off of whatever I think, and if it doesn't fit, then I'm sorry. I can make it for somebody else. If it does fit, then yeah, I have a Halloween costume for my friend's birthday. I've been here for hours, mind you. So like, I'm kind of shirtless right now, but like at the same time I'm not. But like, this is low-key like, I need to be able to see myself. Okay, so here's what we're working with right now. See, it looks bad right now, but think about it. When we cinch it in, because it's gonna have a waist belt, it's gonna have a belt, right? It's gonna be cinched in, and then I look even better. Boom, boom. I think it fits really good though, surprisingly. I was not expecting it to fit so good, but yeah. It's gonna look real cute after it's nice and cinched in. Gonna look very much so like how it's supposed to. But I'm about to get out of this because I don't want to. Actually, I don't know. I'll put the hoodie on top of it because I don't need this anymore. So I think there might be enough of this. And there's definitely, I'm pretty sure there's enough of this. And there might be enough of this to go around. I'm gonna find out real quick and then figure out what I wanna do. Cause like, I think I definitely wanna do this one. No, I think I'm gonna do one of these. Like one with the pattern as the main. And then I'll do this as like the belt and the scarf. Or one of these can be the scarf, one of these can be the, yeah. Okay, I have an idea, I got a plan. Perfect. I'm gonna cut these out. I might not put them together tonight. They might get put together another day just because it's like 1 o'clock now. Hi guys, here's the finished look. Oh, I look good. My arrow's kind of messed up, but it's okay. So here's how it looks on me. Armhole a little tight, but it's okay. For the scarf, I found a body form that kind of fit my neck, and then I just kind of draped it with some line. But yeah, I think I did really good for an 8-hour project. Take it to the sky.